Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to X account. Well, this is very easy thing to do. You have to just download this X account from the Play Store. Let me show you. Let's go back to Play Store and just download the X, basically the Twitter, and open it up. And here you will get an option of open. To sign in you will get a two option, continue with Google or create an account. Let me show you both the option. So here if I just go and click on create an account, it will ask my name, my phone number and date of birth, and once I have entered each and everything, I have to click next and they will ask me to enter my email address and to create my password. Right, so this is a long process. The shortest process, if you have a Google account, then it's become very easy. Now if I have a Google account, I will just go and select my one of my Google account, right, and instantly I will be logged in into my X account. Right, this is how it's become easy, and it's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.